Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 23 elegant bathroom design ideas. Transform your space with stylish, functional, and relaxing designs. This spacious bathroom boasts minimalist elegance, with a wall-wide mirror, integrated lighting, and natural wood accents enhancing its luxurious and serene ambience. Compact and cozy, this bathroom combines warm wooden tones and modern fixtures, creating a balance of function and style, ideal for a tranquil retreat. Bright and opulent, this design features marble finishes and a glass-enclosed shower, blending classic luxury with contemporary minimalism for a timeless aesthetic. With lush greenery as its backdrop, this bathroom integrates nature-inspired design, offering an open, refreshing space adorned with vibrant blue mosaic tiles. A sleek, dark-toned bathroom with wooden and matte finishes, this space exudes modern sophistication and a calm, intimate atmosphere for relaxation. This chic bathroom pairs soft pink tones with marble and glass elements, achieving a harmonious blend of modern warmth and functional elegance. Light and airy, this design incorporates white minimalism, natural lighting, and a touch of color with fresh flowers for an inviting yet clean feel. Dark stone textures and bold black fixtures define this bathroom, creating a modern industrial look that is both stylish and functional. This urban design features earthy tiles and open shelving, creating a cozy yet polished atmosphere, perfect for compact modern living. Bright and nostalgic, this bathroom evokes vintage charm with its pastel blue fixtures and classic white tiles, offering a timelessly fresh appeal. Natural textures dominate this design, with woven pendant lights and a round mirror, creating an earthy, relaxing space accentuated by minimalist modern touches. Deep blue tiles paired with concrete walls create a bold contrast in this compact bathroom, offering a clean yet striking contemporary design. This spa-like bathroom features natural lighting, a glass partition, and stone textures, seamlessly blending outdoor elements with a tranquil indoor retreat. Minimalist elegance shines here, with white mosaic tiles and clean lines, creating an open and refreshing shower space that feels modern yet timeless. Gray stone and hexagonal tiles set a sophisticated tone, complemented by a large window that floods the space with natural light. Symmetry and simplicity define this bathroom, with glass partitions leading to a standalone tub, framed by expansive views of nature. A calming white palette combined with terrazzo floors and a skylight above infuses this bathroom with natural light and understated charm. Concrete walls and patterned floor tiles blend rustic and contemporary aesthetics, making this compact bathroom both functional and artistic. Reflective mosaic tiles create a luxurious, futuristic vibe in this bathroom, featuring modern fixtures and a play of light from integrated lighting. Natural elements and frosted glass doors bring the outdoors inside, creating a bright, earthy, and airy bathing space that exudes relaxation. Rich wooden textures paired with golden mosaic tiles create a luxurious feel, while sleek black accents add a modern edge to this sophisticated bathroom. Bold navy cabinetry and wood countertops combine with a minimalist design, offering a contemporary and practical layout with unique character. Concrete surfaces and natural greenery blend seamlessly, creating a raw yet inviting aesthetic, emphasizing harmony between modern design and nature.